Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan bread with almond flour. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of blanched, finely ground almond flour, which is crucial for the right texture. We'll also use a flax egg, made from 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed and 3 tablespoons of water, as our binder. Don't forget a ½ cup of unsweetened plant-based milk, and a ¼ cup of olive oil to add moisture and richness to our delicious loaf. Now let's get to mixing our vegan dough. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients thoroughly, the almond flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together your flax egg, plant-based milk, and olive oil. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry, stirring until just combined. The dough will be quite thick and sticky, unlike traditional wheat dough, so avoid over-mixing to keep it tender. It's time to bake our beautiful bread. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Lightly grease a standard loaf pan and transfer your dough into it, smoothing the top. Bake for approximately 45 to 55 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Let it cool completely on a wire rack for at least 1 hour before slicing to prevent crumbling. To customize your vegan almond flour bread, consider adding flavor variations. For a savory loaf, mix in 2 tablespoons of fresh rosemary or 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. If you prefer a sweeter option, incorporate a ¼ cup of dried cranberries or chopped walnuts. Store any leftover bread in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or freeze slices for longer enjoyment. Enjoy your homemade, wholesome, and delicious bread.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.